Hey guys, it's your girl Lissa and welcome back to my channel. On this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make a bob using 3 bundles of Rio hair and a Rio closure. If you check out Rio's page, you'll see a little tutorial on how I use spray check to seal the lace. Just leaves a little coating on it. Everywhere has a little stickiness on it when I was doing it. This leftover pieces of hair I'm going to have to clean up. And as you can tell, if you part, there is no glue on it. Let's get a close-up. In this close-up, I'm just showing you what the lace looks like, how there's no glue on the lace. You'll see a little bit of glue at the top. You want to just get rid of that as quick as possible just because it'll stay on the hair. Don't worry, it comes off pretty easily. Now, let's get started on making this wig. First, you want to match up your lace, put it a little bit forward from the actual cap, and pin it down. I'm just showing you what the pins look like on each side. Now to sew the hair onto the cap, you just want to push the needle through to the first top layer. You don't want to catch the elastic part of it, and you just want to split your thread and pull the needle through. That's just helping lock the thread, and it helps keep it in place and make sure it's sealed properly. So now you want to just loop it through now. So you're going to put the needle through, loop, and pull through. So you're going to basically be making a knot every time you go through. I just sped it up because if you know how to do this already, it will just be nice and fast and you know what I'm doing here. If you don't know, again, you just watch this video. We're doing the same method throughout the whole cap. You're going to pull through, make a loop, and pull through. So you're doing that same exact method you did on the closure on your bundles. Same thing, I'm not gonna go through this. I'm just gonna show you a couple of different angles. You could just watch. I'm making sure I don't catch the elastic, just going on the first layer of that cap and pulling through that circle that you're making. So it makes little knots the whole time. If you want your wig to be a little bit tighter, every once in a while here and there you can catch the elastic. Just remember, every time you hit the elastic, it makes it harder for you to stretch out your cap. So it'll be more tight fitting. So if you're going for a glueless look, it's okay if you hit it every once in a while. So in this video, I'm going to do the fold over method. I'm just going to fold it over and I'm going to take my T-pin and just stick it in to hold it down. Make sure when you fold it over, you fold it as flat as you can make it because remember, the bulkier it is, the more your hair is going to stick up and you'll show it. So I'm just going to show you how I take my T-pins and hold the hair in place. I'm not going to show you how I sewed it because it's the same sewing method. I'm just going to do a quick glimpse. Just make sure when you start sewing the hair on with the fold over method that you just make it really tight and you don't want the hair to stick up. So if you see the hair stick up, that means it's too tight. In the next clip, I'm going to just show you how I cut the hair because it was a little bit long. I'm just going to do a fast version of how I cut the hair. How I cut this, I literally part my hair in two. Brought it to the front, measured, get my shoulders straight, and so after I cut the hair on my shoulders, I just took it off, blow dried it, straightened it, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to go over really quick how I cut it to make it more of a straight bob look. Just comb the hair down, just kind of even it, and just keep cutting. Another way is to cut just like this, just to make it a little bit more straighter. So if you don't know how to use your 2 fingers and you're afraid that it's going to become uneven, just use the comb. And this is the final look of the bob. I'm going to show you what it looks like on me afterwards, but it's nice and flowy. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's like perfect. Thank you for watching.